Set and ready to race. Race number 1. And they're up. Early lead is taken by King Rick from the outside, Camora on the further outside, and Money King. It's King Rick in the lead, followed by Camora, Money King, Angatang Pinoy, and Taxi. The mid-back stretch, it's still King Rick by a length and a half, followed by Money King, Camora on the outside, Angatang Pinoy, and Taxi. And nearing the far turn, still King Rick, Money King, Camora on the outside, Angatang Pinoy, and Taxi moving up on the outside. Rounding the far turn, there is still King Rick, Money King in between horses, and Camora moving up on the farther outside, and Taxi on the farther outside. Now moving up, the lead is taken over now by Camora, followed by Taxi on the outside, and Money King, Angatang Pinoy, and King Rick. At the top of the stretch, still Camora and Taxi on the farther outside. Money King, King Rick, and Angatang Pinoy on the farther outside. It's Camora in the lead. It's Camora, Taxi moving up on the farther outside. Taxi in the lead, followed by Camora by the rail. It's Camora and Taxi on the outside. Camora and Taxi, and finally it's Taxi, Camora, King Rick, Angatang Pinoy, Money King.
Kita nyo hanggang dulo, hindi pa natin alam